wristband for the day. I had to actually ship them from the United States. Right now we are still waiting on throttle body. Guys, this is the car that just got totaled out at Higashi. That thing was smoked. I heard the crash happen. I was in my pit at Higashi. Oh! Whoa! All right, guys. Today is, what is today? Day 7? I think today is day 7. Something like that. We skipped a day yesterday. That was a really chill day. Micah did some laps, and I just kind of traveled around Japan since we're searching for a throttle body. But today we have a throttle body that should be at the racetrack really soon, so we can swap this guy out. You can even hear, I don't think it's supposed to sound like that. So anyhow, we're gonna swap that out today. We just hit 7-Eleven. Micah, what'd you grab?
Donuts.
Oh, Doritos? Dude, I've never even seen these here.
I haven't seen them either.
That's actually kind of sick.
And then the Lifeline.
And I grabbed some of the chocolate almonds. These things are so good. Some of these apple pie things. They have some sort of awesome celebration happening.
Yeah,
so
big celebration for sure.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. All right, boys, we are in. We got our wristband for the day. All right, boys, we're out here at Higashi right now, and I ordered something. Mike and I drove to like 2.5 hours round trip yesterday to go pick up 2 boxes. So this should look pretty familiar because this is exactly what we have on the rear of the car right now. So these are the same wheels. I had to actually ship them from the United States. Yeah, they're a Japanese wheel, but we didn't have any in Japan. We checked every single company in Japan. Since we already had 4 of them on the car, I really just wanted 2 more of the same just for the rear. And now we have them. Super sick. We're gonna go put some tires on these things today and then burn the rubber right off of them, do it again. Alrighty, guys, right now we are still waiting on the throttle body, which should be here hopefully in the next hour. But in the meantime, there's a few things that I wanted to do to the car before we take it out. 2 like important things in my opinion. One of them is mechanical, so we're gonna do that first because it's the most important. The second one is just for style. We want to add our inner tie rod kind of spacer, if you would, our inner rack spacer. So it actually goes on the rack. It's like a little C kind of clip, goes right onto the rack, and then it limits how much angle you get. This car has so much angle, I don't need any more. But what I do need is to make sure that when I'm at full lock, I'm not rubbing against anything. And right now I believe that we have some rubbing happening. I want to fix that. The second thing I want to do is I want to slap our other On Point logo on the other side of this car, just because right now I feel like it looks super stupid that half of the car is naked and half of the car has the livery on it. So I want to fix that. Obviously not that important, but still want to do it. All right, so we got our little lock stops on both sides, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and zip tie everything back up, or just our boots here. So our end links are good. Yeah, everything is looking super solid. All right, guys, so just like that, we have now added some rack spacers to our 350Z setup here. Super sick, super easy. I think it's one of the best mods you can kind of do to a drift car as far as like scenery and stuff goes. After you've done all the basic things, then it's like this versus a hard lock stop. This is a soft lock stop. Makes all the world into the difference. I've also never personally broken racks using this. I don't know if you have. If anyone's broken a rack by doing this, actually hit me up and let me know what happened. Alrighty, guys, we got the On Point logo on, looking sick. Check it out. Pretty stoked with how like it turned out, especially with the red in the background. I mean, this was never meant to be on this car, but I really wanted it for this car because we have it for our other 2 cars at home, which we still haven't put on, but we hope to before we leave for Drift Week. I think it looks good enough. Our sticker, whatever I put here, flew away. I don't remember what was there, but we are probably going to replace that really fast. Guys, this is the car that just got totaled out at Higashi. That thing was smoked. I heard the crash happen. I was in my pit at Higashi and it sounded like really bad things happened. You know, Ebisu is like, it's a crazy place and it's a dangerous place. If you're gonna come here and drive, you really have to be careful. That's all I can say. It's not for the faint of heart, and it's not for, you know, your average like first time driver. Once you've had some experience, it's great to come to Ebisu. If you don't have any experience and you're in a country that, you know, tracks are hard to find, then, you know, maybe you do come to Ebisu, you buy a car here and you start drifting here, but maybe you don't do it during Matsuri, right? Matsuri is kind of a crazy time. The people who come here for the very first time and drift at Matsuri, they usually end up breaking their car or totaling their car or crashing their car. Like, you can take your time, come back over and over and over again, learn the car, learn how to drift, and do everything that you want to do. All right, boys, we are going through the tunnel of death here at Higashi. All right, guys, we are gonna put our sticker on. For the last 2 Matsuris that we've been here, we've been adding the Matsuri sticker to the car. So it's only right that we have one more right there and get this girl stickered up. We are all stickered up. All right, me and Mike are gonna go watch some cars over here at Higashi because still waiting on that throttle body. Should be here hopefully in an hour or so, we'll see. But yeah, we're gonna go walk around. Oh! Whoa! That was, I mean, that was cool for making it work, dude. Unfortunately, the throttle body did not make it here in time. We wish it would have, but it is what it is. These things happen. We might actually get it tomorrow, so maybe we'll get to do some driving tomorrow. All right, boys, we are in luck. Ebisu received our package. It is 9:22 p.m. Mike has got our package right there. Fingers crossed, she's the one we wanted. We're gonna go to Higashi right now, swap this thing in, try to do a lap, and see how the car goes. Yeah, car's feeling really good right now, guys. All right, boys, the trusty steed is working again. Feels so good to know that the Z is gonna be good again. What's also super cool is, I didn't know this, but in Japan, you can send in your old throttle body to Nissan. They will repair it to OEM spec and send it back to you. So instead of just getting like a used aftermarket throttle body, you get a refurbished one from Nissan, which is awesome, but it's also way better than you getting like an eBay one or an Amazon one or something like that. It's still an OEM. Super happy that we got this done. I'm glad we got a lap in at Higashi before the track shut down. Literally got the last lap in. So tomorrow we have all day to burn some tires together. So that's the plan. You know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. Till then, peace.